Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Trust everybody is doing good. I'm doing fine. So, very quickly, I'm going to do a revision class, okay? And this revision class is meant for those that will be writing their own quiz tomorrow, okay? Now, very quickly, I'm going to show some revision on the selected pages. I have page 95, okay? Now, let's start with this question first, okay? Question 5. Write the answers to these calculations. 7 plus 2 multiplied by 4, okay? Now, before I start this question, I want to remind us about this board mass, okay? Now, your B is for what? Your brackets, okay? Your O is your off, okay? Your D is for division, okay? Your M is for multiplication, okay? Your A is for addition, and your S is for subtraction. Okay, now look at the order of this alphabet. BODMAS, okay? Your brackets comes before your off. Your off comes before your division. Division comes before multiplication, and multiplication comes before addition, and addition comes before subtraction. So this is the order of operation. Now let's use this operation to answer question 5. Now question 5 says 7 plus 2 multiplied by 4. 7 plus 2 multiplied by 4. So I have 7 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Now let me show you something. If you solve it this way, you are going to have different or wrong answer. For example, if you say 7 plus 2 is what? Is 9. And this is multiplication, and this is multiplied by 4. So 9 multiplied by 4 is what? Is 36. If you solve it this way, it is wrong, okay? It's not correct, it's not true. Now you are going to use this board mass, okay? Now check very quickly. I have how many operations here? The operations, I have 2, and the operations are what? Plus and multiplication. Now if you check the order of this board mass, multiplication comes before addition, okay? Plus is what? Addition. So multiplication comes before addition. So what you need to do is to do what? To solve for the multiplication first. So how do you do that? So be easily done, just put a bracket, okay, so that you not get confused. So I have 7 plus a bracket 2 multiplied by 4. So you are going to solve the bracket first, which is the multiplication. So it's now that you have 7. Now 2 multiplied by 4 is what? 8. So I have 7 plus 8. So my answer is what? Is 15. Okay, I'll take another example. Now let me take this example. 18 minus 16 divided by 4. Question 2. 18 minus 16 divided by 4. So what's our answer? Now I have 2 operations, minus and division, okay? Now you come to your board mass. What is the order? Which one comes first? Is it minus or division? If you check, D is for division. So division comes before subtraction. Okay, so you are going to solve for division first, okay? Now just put it inside a bracket so that you won't get confused. So I have 16 divided by 4, okay? Now 16 divided by 4 is what? 16 divided by 4 is 4. And here you have minus, and I have 18. So it's now very simple and easy. 18 minus 4 is what? I have 14. So my answer here is 14. So clear? Now last example, let me take one more example. Okay, let me take mini-mimo. Okay, let me take question D. Okay, question D, question 3. 17 minus 6 minus 6 multiplied by 2. 17 minus 6 multiplied by 2. Now, according to the order of the operation, minus multiplication, minus comes before subtraction. Multiplication comes before minus. Multiplication comes before minus. Now check. Here is multiplication and here is subtraction. So this comes first. So we are going to solve for multiplication first. So you put it in a bracket. Okay. Now 6 multiplied by 2 is what? Is 12. And you have what? Minus, and this is 17. So 17 minus 2 is what? You have 5. Okay, so this is how to solve it. Okay, I have one good question here. Let me see. Let me show you this question. If I said 4 multiply by 4 plus 4. 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4. I need you to try this. What will be your answer? 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4. Now the operations are what? Multiplication and addition. That's the operation. Now multiplication comes before addition, so you put this in a bracket. Okay. Now 4 multiplied by 4 is what? 16. And here is what? Plus 4. So this plus this, you have what? 20. Okay. All right. So I need you to pay attention to this part of this question. Okay. Know the order of your operations. Okay. Remember this. Okay. And know how to use it to solve. It's so easy. Okay. So this, on this area or on this type of questions, I'm going to text you. Okay. I'm going to text you. So let's go to the next page. Here is 95. Now let's go to the next page. 97. Yeah. Now very quickly, I'm interested in this question, on this question. Now I draw it somewhere. 1 minute. Okay. Now look at this question, please. My camera. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now look at this. Wafa makes a pattern on a square grid. Now, how many square grids altogether? The first thing you need to do is to count how many boxes or how many grids. I have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 grids. Okay. Now the question says Wafa colors makes a pattern on this square grid. Now she colors 1 out of 4 of the square and it is blue color. Okay, it means 1 out of 4 of the total number of square. The total number of square is what? Is 20. So I've drew the box here again. Now if you find 1 out of 4, if you find 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4 of what? Of the total number. The total number is what? Is 20. Okay. Now in mathematics, I told you that your off is what? Multiplication. Okay. So you're gonna change this to multiplication. Can you see? Times multiplication. So it means that if you multiply 1 by 20, you have 20, and this is your what? Division divided by 4. So 20, 4 divided by 20, you have what? It's 5. Okay. It means that she colors 1 out of 4 of this square blue. It means your answer is 5. That is 5. You are going to make a color of 5 blues. Okay. So you're gonna write. So you have 5, and the color is what? Blue. That is, she colored 5 blue. Blue is equal to 5. So you're gonna make blue color in 5 places. You color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see? That is 1 out of 4 of 20 will give you 5. So you're gonna color it blue according to this question, blue. Now the next one, Wafa colors 1 out of 2, 1 over 2 of the square, and she colored it what? Color red. So you're going to have 1 over 2 of what? Of the square box is what? Is 20. Okay, so I have, this is the first one, A and B. Now 1 out of 2 of what? The total number of boxes is what? Is 20. Okay, so now you're going to change your of to multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 1, you have 20 divided by this 2. Can you see 2? Now how many times will 2 divide 20? 10 times. Now this 10 times means 1 out of 2 of 20 is 10. So she colored 10 as what? As red. Okay, so you come to this box and color 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you see? Now the question now says she colors the other square box, that is the remaining of the square box. She colored it what? She colored it green. Okay, green. Now the question now says how many square boxes are green? So it means that the remaining colors, this is gonna be green. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the green color box are what? Are 5. That is equal to 5, because that is the remaining boxes that are colored green. Now if you want to know if you are correct, plus 5 plus 10 and plus it with the remaining 5, you have 20. 5, this 5, okay, plus it with 10 plus 10 and the last 5 plus 5. So this is what? 20. It means your square box is 20, so it is complete. Your blue color is what? Is 5. Your red color is 10, and the remaining color, which is green color, it's also 5. So this is what the question is asking you to do. So what you need to do first, if you see this type of question, know the total number of boxes. Okay, you have to count it first. So this is 20, so you'll now be finding 1 over 4 of 20 to know the numbers and you color. Okay, I don't want to stay too long on this page. I need you to study this very well. Now look at this question 5. 2 over 3 of 24. What does it mean? 2 over 3 of 24. I said your of is your what? Multiplication. So you change of to multiplication. You have 2 over 3 multiplied by what? By 24. Can you see? Now I can solve this in 2 ways. It's either to say 2 multiplied by 24 to give you 48 and divided by 3. Okay, or you can say that, oh, where's my pen? Or you can say that 3 can cancel itself 1 time and 3 can divide 24 how many times? 8 times. Okay, so you can now multiply the remaining numbers. 2 multiplied by 8, you have 16. So 3 divided by 48 is what? 16. Is that clear? Okay, now let me do this question. Question C. 7 out of 10 of 70. 7 over 10 of 70. Now you change this to what? Multiplication. So I have 7 over 10 multiplied by what? 70. Oh, this is so simple. Now I can say 10 can divide itself 1 time and 10 can divide 70 how many times? 7 times. So 7 multiplied by 7, you have what? 49. It's so easy. Okay, now let me go to the last part of the page, which is page 98. I told you to study this. Now I'm going to be studying, or I'm going to be showing you these 2 questions now. Okay, this here I'm going to stop so that you can make a practice by yourself. Okay, now look at question 2. Question 2 says simplify. Simplify means to make it very simple. Okay, simplify these fractions. This is a fraction. A number dividing another number is a fraction. Okay, and this is a proper fraction. Now simplify, you make it very simple. 14 over 20 equal to 2 over missing number. 14 over 21 is equal to 2 over missing number. 2 over a missing number. Okay, we want to solve this. Now everybody pay attention. You don't know this missing number. Okay, I'm gonna guide you. You can use 2 ways, but I will show you one way to solve this. Now this is the numerator, this is the numerator. Okay, this is denominator and this is denominator. Now it means that you are going to take this part that is missing, okay, this right hand side, this is your right hand and this is your left hand, okay, left hand side, right hand side. Now you are going to take this part that is missing, you take this 2 and use it to divide 14. Okay, now if you take 2 to divide 14, you are going to have what? That is 14 divided by 2, you have what? 7. Okay, now 14 divided by 2 will give you 7. Okay, it means that, now see what I want to do. 14 divided by, what do you get here? Your answer is 7. Very good. So if you divide 14 by 7, you have 2. Now the same number you use here, you are going to use it for denominator. So it means you divide this 21 by 27 by 7. So if you divide 21 by 7, you have what? So here will be what? 3. I will explain again. Now let me take another example. I will explain again. Let me take 15, question E. Okay, 15 over 25 is equal to 3 over a missing number. Now please pay attention again. Now you are going to come to where you have the missing number and it's on your right hand side. Okay, so you are going to take this part. Now you take 3 and use it to divide 15. Now check, if you take 15 divided by 3 will give you what? 5. So this 5, you are going to use it to divide your numerator and your denominator. Okay, now 15 divided by 5 will give you 3. Can you see your 3? Also the same division, you have it here. 25 will divide 5 how many times? 5 times. So your missing number here is what? Is 5. So clear? Okay, let me take another example. If I have 1 over a missing number, okay, it's equal to 10 over 100. Please pay attention. 1 over a missing number, I want to find this missing number, and it's equal to 10 over 100. Now what you need to do is to check where is the missing number. Yeah, the missing number is on the right hand side, okay, because here is missing. So you are going to come to this fraction. Okay, now you are going to take this number, your numerator, to divide your numerator here. So it means 10 divided by 1, it's what? Is 10. 10 divided by 1 is 10. So it means that this number you divide, this number you divide by 10, and the same number you divide with, you use it for denominator. So I have also 100 divided by 10. Now 10 divided by 10 will give you 1. Can you see? And 100 divided by 10 will give you what? 10. Class. Okay, now the last example. Let me take last example. If I have a missing number divided by 4 is equal to 12 divided by 16. Okay, now where do you have your missing number? At the right hand side. Very good. So you are going to divide your numerator by your numerator here. So you want to find this missing number, but because this one is missing, you come down. So you are going to divide your denominator by denominator. That is, you divide 4 by 16. Now if you divide, this is what I mean, 16 divided by 4, your answer will be what? 4. So it means you are going to divide this by 4 you divide this by 4. Okay, now 16 divided by 4 is what? Is 4. Can you see? And 12 divided by 4 will give you what? 3. So your missing number here is 3. So it's so easy. I want you to practice very well. Simplify means to make it smaller. Simplify. Simplify. Now last question. Let me take this. 14 over 28. Make the fraction in the simplest form. 14 over 28. 14 over 28 to make it in the simplest form. This is an even number. This is an even number. Okay, so let's start. 2 can divide 14 7 times, and 2 can divide 28 how many times? 14 times. Now this is not the simplest form. Simplest form means you can no longer divide any longer. Okay, now let's see. Can 2 divide this? No, but 2 can divide this. Okay, what do we do now? 7 can divide itself 1 time, and 7 can divide 14 how many times? 2 times. So this is the simplest form. You can't divide again. Okay, because if you divide again you have a decimal number. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Okay, let me take this number for the last part. 9 over 15. 9 over 15. You want to make it to the simplest fraction. Okay, look at this number. This is an odd number. This is an odd number. So I'm going to divide by 3. 3 can divide 9 how many times? 3 times. And 3 can divide 15 how many times? 5 times. Okay. Can any number divide this again? No. So this is your simplest form. So this is your answer. Okay. So I want you to go back and study those examples I've solved for you. Study this part very well, a little bit of this part. Okay, just study the examples I've solved. Okay, and know the order of your operation. Okay, all right, thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Bye.